Want live notes and transcripts in your Zoom meetings? As of 2025, it's easier than ever. Since Zoom acquired Otter.ai, the integration is built in. First, ensure you have both a Zoom account, either free or paid, and an Otter.ai account linked through your Zoom login. In Zoom, go to Settings, then Recording, and enable cloud recording with Otter.ai transcription. If you're a standalone Otter.ai user, log into Otter.ai, navigate to Integrations, select Zoom, and authorize the connection. During your Zoom meeting, simply enable live transcription from the toolbar. This gives you instant, searchable notes and highlights during your call. Otter.ai transforms your Zoom meetings with AI-powered live transcription. This feature provides real-time conversion of audio to text with up to 95% accuracy for clear speech. Otter.ai automatically generates bullet point notes, keywords, and even sentiment analysis, flagging action items and questions. All of this makes collaboration much more effective. The integration uses Zoom's SDK for a secure connection, so no manual syncing is needed. Transcripts appear directly in Zoom's recording dashboard or the Otter.ai app. Plus, this technology enhances inclusivity by providing accessibility to those with hearing impairments.